USA.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As we say in beautiful Hawaii, aloha! I'm Captain Brian Carey, United States Air Force's 15th Wing, Joint Base Pearl Harbor, Wickham, Hawaii. Proudly representing Pacific Air Force's C-17 Airshow3 aerial demonstration team. C-17 made its first flight in September of 1991. Since then, the aircraft has set over 20 world records, including payload to altitude, time to climb, and the longest airdrop mission in history. This reliable airlifter combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of large aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy or the IL-76 with the short-field landing potential of the much smaller C-130 Hercules. Now approaching from your left, the aircraft will perform a slow-speed pass. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your cameras ready, as this will be your best opportunity to take photos of this amazing state-of-the-art machine. Joining them today is Loadmaster Staff Sergeant Chris Baker. This highly experienced crew has a combined total of over 12,000 flying hours in various Air Force aircraft. This remarkable airlifter has a few characteristics that make it truly unique, including the ability to take off and land at 450 meters and back up under its own power.